Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Siacoin. When we had the previous drop from April to July 2021, Sia formed a very nice harmonic bullish reversal pattern. This time, after the current drop, the price line has also completed another harmonic bullish reversal pattern. This time, it has completed this harmonic bullish reversal shark move, and before that, it completed this harmonic bullish reversal bat move that I shared for my members at the Patreon in the month of July. And let me show you first this chart, then I'll take you to the current chart to share the next targets about Siacoin with you. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this chart, and we can see that the price line at that time was moving approximately at 1 cent, 109, and our targets as per the Fibonacci sequence were approximately from 3 cents to 5.2 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line started the move and moved down again, moved up, went very close to hit this sell zone, rallied up to 3 cents, very close, and again dropped inside this buying zone. So this move is still due, but during this move, Siacoin has formed another bullish harmonic reversal shark move that is smaller than the previous one. But I'm expecting that once the price line will start the reversal move from the potential reversal zone of this shark, then it will also hit the targets of this bigger pattern that is a bullish bad pattern. Now, if I play the current chart, let me take you to the current chart and show you how the price line behaved when I shared this chart after that. By the way, our sell targets as per this pattern are from 1.4 cents and goes to 2.46 cents. Now, I've played this chart, and you can see that the price line has started its move to the upside. Right now, it has rallied to 1.2 cents, but our sell targets are from 1.45 cents to 2.4 cents. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame, then here price line was moving in the falling wedge pattern. And you can see that the price line has recently broken out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern on 4th of Feb, and after a short rally, we are likely to have some correction. And right now the price line is above exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame. And previously, when the price line broke it down here on 3rd of December, the price line was not able to break it out again, this EMA 21, and now it has broken out the resistance of this falling wedge and also this EMA 21 as well. Now, if the price line breaks it down, then it can retest the previous resistance of this falling wedge as a support. Otherwise, we can expect a reversal move from here. And a very strong key support is still there. That is at $8.0085. But there is a problem on the chart that even though we have broken out this resistance of EMA 21 and also this resistance of the falling wedge as well, but there is a hidden bearish divergence still there on the chart, because RSI has moved up and formed another higher than previous high, but the price line is still failed in doing so. So the price line needs to form another higher than previous high in order to remove this bearish divergence, this hidden bearish divergence from the chart. However, our sell targets are first, according to this chart, are from 1.4 cents and goes to 2.4 cents. And as per the bigger chart, are from 3.3 cents, or approximately from 3 cents to 5.2 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.